Morning guys, welcome to Hallstatt. Yan, the view. That is the lake. Malamig po, negative 2. Pero no fall at the moment. So mamaya, later po meron kaming boat cruise dun sa lake. Kain po muna. Ganda po ang aming boat cruise. Dito kami sa taas para mag-yelo.
Usok pala talaga, Daddy. May usok kami.
Yung motor.
Picture.
Now we're moving.
Malamig yan.
So this will be a 20-minute cruise. So guys, ito po the beauty of Hallstatt, Austria. So after this, may pupunta pa kaming garden. So guys, thank you for watching. Yahoo!